Nivarani, you can take the mantra of Sarv Badha Nivarani.
Если у вас
You can vibrate and use it on the chakras. She is saying you can vibrate and also vibrate and use it on the chakras in your hands or on the particular chakra, and that also aids us. We have practically done it at the Health Center, and we find that it is quite useful.
Ну еще, значит, можно использовать завибрированный лимонный перец для чистки чакры. Вот, то есть по часовой стрелке вращение идет, и пробовали в госпитале, тоже очень хорошие результаты.
So we know the foot soak technique. You know, when we are doing the foot soak, we are doing a very exhaustive technique over here, clearing the right side, the left side, the central channels. So that is quite exhaustive. You can simply, like today as we had, you can simply, whichever chakra is catching, have your hand on that particular chakra, keep the left hand to Shrimataji, have your right hand on that particular chakra. You can say the Ganesha Tarshisha. For the right side, you can do Shri Hanumana Chalisa. Or Ganesha Tarshisha is like Ramban, you know, you can use it on any chakra. So right side, left side, only that when you are doing the right side clearance, have the right hand to Shrimataji, and you can have the left hand on the Swadhisthana, and you can say. So that is effective. For the Agnya chakra, simple Lord's Prayer is very useful. For the back Agnya, so in that way, you know, you are cutting down the mantras, because usually the right side is overactive. No need to recite many mantras. Simply doing these help to remove of all the imbalances in our subtle system. And this lemon chili is for the left side. The massage is for all the chakras, the pithas, everything is covered. Now after the clearance, the main important thing is getting to meditative state, which sometimes is difficult. So she has said you have to sort of mobilize and activate your energy. Just sitting like that may not be the solution. So if we use our hands, the vibrations are there in the hands. First work on the pithas, and then after that you can very easily achieve that state of thoughtless awareness. Even if certain imbalances we are feeling, just have your attention on the Sahasrara, and that will help us. Slowly you will find that as the energy comes, the Param Chaitanya comes within our system, it will neutralize whatever imbalances we are. So we will ask Sudha Didi to just do this for us, and we can